Advanced Jaw Segmentation functionality has been added to Blue Sky Plan to facilitate accurate and proper fabrication of bone-supported surgical templates. The functionality can be accessed via the Segmentation Panel. The Segmentation Panel appears in the panel drop-down list. The process can be started by selecting Advanced Jaw Segmentation in the Segmentation Panel. The user should then identify the relevant area in the panoramic view by drawing a rectangle around the desired area. Pressing Next will start a wizard where the software will take us through the process of identifying the jaw and relevant slices. The different tools can be used by holding down the Shift key and using the left mouse button to identify the jaw and the relevant slices. Pressing Next will take us through the process. The brush, eraser, and other tools could be used to modify the selection as necessary. The Fill Holes button should be used whenever holes appear within the selection to create a solid and continuous model. The red minus can be used if we want to use the Lasso tool to remove selected areas. In situations such as this one, the individual bone pieces can be selected separately or can be selected together in a single lasso. Continue to use the Fill Holes functionality on all slices where holes appear within the selected area to ensure that a solid model is created for surgical guide fabrication. The minimum density dropper can be used to select the density in a particular slice. The intelligent lasso will then only include bone that is above that density threshold. Once the process is complete, the software will segment the jaw and will show us the information in the 3D view. The segmented jaw now appears in the 3D view. The user could decide if they would like to create a surface and/or erase from the patient data. To clear the selection process that was done, press Clear Segmentation Data. If Create Surface is pressed, a new jaw surface will appear in the Surfaces panel. This surface could then be used for surgical guide fabrication. smooth inflate deflate functionality can also be used to modify the segmented jaw. Detailed modifications and editing can be done by using the previous button to go back through the slices and to edit the selected areas.